Hi, today I'd like to show how to replace the rear downstream oxygen sensor for 2013 Mazda 5. I just purchased the oxygen sensor from the Amazon and some oxygen sensor socket and the WD. This is my Mazda 5 2013. I did the googling and checked all YouTube, but there is no information about the replacement of the rear downstream oxygen sensors. So today I wanna try to replace it. I will show you. Now I am under my car. Okay, this is the catalysis, and after catalysis you can easily find this rear oxygen sensor. I think this is a connect. I will try to remove this oxygen sensor. Okay, just to remove this clip, then I remove this sensor. Wow. Okay, now I just remove all the oxygen sensor. Okay, I got it. This is old one, this is a new one, and whenever we handle this new one, don't touch this sensor part and apply this one and this thread, then I will install this new one. Okay, now I successfully installed this new oxygen valve. That is just fix the clamp and connect here. Yes. Okay, now I'm done. So honestly, I'm not mechanic guy. I'm just a normal person. I have no related with the mechanic shop or car fixing. So I just want to show everyone, everybody can fix it, any trouble by yourself. Okay.